access the General Archive and select the User Archive. Select the Inverter node and add a new node. Acquire the relevant information from the datasheet. And input the inverter data. Add the specifications for the single MPPT input. Add more MPPT inputs with the same features or unlock the input fields and edit them. Delete the inserted specifications if necessary, or add further details read on the technical sheet. Enter the geometrical info and any additional notes that will then appear in the generated technical report. Specify whether any storage systems are integrated in the inverter.